Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, Infiniti G35 2011. This car have water get into it, and I believe it's supposed to be from the sunroof. This piece here is full of water, if you notice it. Anyhow, you notice green. See here. Okay, we put a used one there, as you see. That the piece, and most of the time when the drainer get clogged, it create the water drain, or from other side, but try to clean the drainers, most important. After that, this is the socket where you can put the key in case the remote battery in the remote is weak or there is a problem. And this car have also, I don't know if you have a steering lock module or not. I don't see it. Let me see. 2011. Yeah, you see here. This is the piece that it has. This is the steering lock control module is here. But our job today is to program the use body control module using Console 3 Plus. By the way, we need this ESP for calculating the pin code. 2011 could be the new pin code. If you don't have it, you have to look for pin code calculator to convert the pin code for you. This one could be only for the older one, or it could be for the newer one, but let us see what is the options. If you have hotel or anything else, you may not need to do all this. It will bypass the super code. But let us go ahead here, and let me close this, and I will use my screen recorder. Let me take this one from the noise. We don't need it to be there. The BCM was replaced. So if the BCM replaced, I'm gonna go to Immobilizer. Let me put the other light on and say next. And what it is, Infiniti G35. So now I am going to choose the car. G35 sedan 2000. Why G35 sedan? I supposed to have Infiniti M35. Is it G35 or G37? Hold on, let me check. Yes, G37S. It's not G35. G35, they don't have that one. So it's G37S. I'm just gonna go G37, and here 2011, 2010. Select, say yes. Let me communicate with the car. I just want to show you how we can do the key programming with these tools. replace BCM. Continue. Charging system is good. 13.6. This is the pin number 0799 boy. This is the BCM number. You're gonna calculate that one and then put it here. So you need to get a calculator. So stay with us. Okay, I'm gonna put this one 2233. That's a new pin code. I use a calculator, insert the intelligent key into the slot and turn the ignition on. So I'm gonna take this one here. I put it here in the slot. And then turn the ignition on. Now it's off, you see. So I'm gonna push it. Key is on. And here start to communicate. Remove the intelligent. Remove inserted intelligent key from the key slot. Ignition switch change from on position to off. At this moment the system enter key registration. Insert and register intelligent key into the slot and press the push button to switch once again. Ignition on. Check the status security blink 5 times. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. Everything is dead. I'm gonna put it back again. Turn the ignition on. The security light should flash 5 times. Let me see now. Push it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see what is safe is registered. This is the dealer tools. It show you exactly how you go. It's registered. Now you go next. Now what you need to do is insert the intelligent key. Like insert the intelligent key and turn the ignition to on position for model with a remote control engine start buzzer remote. Push button. Like you have to follow the step. So I'm gonna take it out again. Ignition go on. I'm gonna put it back again. I am using my one hand and video one hand. I'm gonna open the ignition. Okay, turn it off. Put it again on. Now I see everything work. Now if I take it out, the light will not go off. Look here. Everything good. So now I can leave the key in my hand, turn the key off with regular one, and now I'm gonna push the brakes, see if I can start it. Yes. Gonna click next and perfect. Okay. See. This work. This is the way you do if you are using Console 3 Plus with this tool, but it requires from you to have a pin code calculator. This pin code calculator 07799B. This is, if I calculate it, I'm see if I'm gonna get the same number, which is 2233. You see, it giving me only the old pin calculator. So this one here is only for 2009 and down. It will not give you the other option. There is another key calculator that if you use it, it will give you both old and new. So this one here, it is not gonna help you. For example, you see this pin calculator, it's giving me the old one, 1201 and 223. 2233 is for the one after 2009, and this one the older one. So this one here is only for older car, 2009 and below. If you use it, it will not work. So please get the right tools and have your business working. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.